Activating Bitcoin on Cash App allows you to buy, sell, and transfer Bitcoin easily. Follow these steps to enable Bitcoin on your Cash App account. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device and ensure you're logged into your account. Navigate to the Bitcoin section. Tap the Investing or Bitcoin tab. This will take you to the cryptocurrency section where you can access Bitcoin-related features. Verify your identity. Before buying or sending Bitcoin, Cash App requires identity verification. Tap Enable Withdrawals and Deposits under the Bitcoin section. Enter your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Upload a clear picture of your government-issued ID. Take a selfie for facial verification. Wait for approval. Identity verification usually takes a few hours but may take up to 48 hours. Once approved, Bitcoin features will be unlocked. Buy, sell, or transfer Bitcoin. You can now purchase Bitcoin using your Cash App balance, send Bitcoin to external wallets, or receive Bitcoin from others.